My name is Bill Weber, and I'm the owner of Partners in Renovation in Houston, Texas. Everything has been refocused because I've never thought this in depth about all of it. As a craftsperson, I was mostly concerned with just getting the work done every day, getting it done well, keeping the customer satisfied. And this has really opened my eyes to so many things that are so really important. There's a great confidence that comes from getting better and improving and realizing you're improving, and the coaches are great at helping us to see those things and the importance of them, and so we're continually making changes, and every change makes me more proud of the business that I'm running and what it does for the customer, and in return now is doing for us. When we first went to the initial meeting where we met Fred, we were very concerned about such things as, is it legit? Can they possibly give us our money's worth? And now, after a year, obviously, I can say that yes, they're legit. Yes, honest. Yes, it's worth it. Yes, it's unbelievably informative. It's incredibly detailed, exceeding expectations of what we thought we knew, and now what we're learning we didn't know, and how to help us implement it. Stop the bleeding. If you're suffering and you're anything like I was, and this is my 36th year of trying, expanding, shrinking back, trying to do it on my own, and not really knowing what I was doing. Learning all along, which is all good, but the lessons learned from this will give you that quality of life, because you'll feel as though you're on top of it instead of it being on top of you. You're learning why it's been beating you up so bad, and what you need to do to change it, so that you can, yes, live a better quality of life, be happier about your everyday circumstances. And if you're that person, and I know who you are, and you're thinking, man, I should do this, but gosh, it's a lot of money, you need to do it. Pull the trigger and do it.